It was an ordinary evening in Somerville, Massachusetts. But for one student at Tufts University, this night would change everything. A shocking arrest, caught on camera, has now sparked outrage and concern across the country. The video, captured by a doorbell camera, shows the moment Rumeysa Ozturk, a Turkish doctoral student at Tufts University, was confronted by masked officers. The agents, identified as part of the US Department of Homeland Security, approached her just as she was leaving home for a Ramadan iftar dinner. Moments later, she was in handcuffs. Legal experts said, the way this arrest was conducted is highly unusual. The lack of identification, the aggressive approach, these are all factors that raise serious constitutional concerns. Close friends said, she was just walking outside her house. And suddenly, she was gone. It was terrifying. We had no idea where they were taking her. Tufts University officials expressed deep concern over the detention of one of their students, while politicians like US Representative Ayanna Pressley denounced the arrest as a violation of constitutional rights. Lawyer Mahsakhanbabai said, this was not a simple arrest, it was a terrifying, forceful removal. The methods used are alarming and must be scrutinized. In response, protests have erupted across Massachusetts, with students and community members demanding answers and justice. What happened to Rumeysa Ozturk raises serious questions. Was this a standard immigration enforcement action? Or something more? Join the conversation. Share this video. Demand transparency. What are your thoughts on this arrest? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for updates.